Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Miss D here. Today we're working in project chapter 12, the fine tune plan, and it looks like I have the wrong plan open, so let me just open this particular plan. And your book is talking about over allocated resources and how to level them. Now your book will show you how to level on a different view. I'm going to show you how I level. I just think it's an easier process to look at all of your resources that are over allocated instead of looking at the resources on your resource usage view. You can still see all of them, but it's just so spread out. So what I'm going to do is click on the View tab, go down to the Command Other Views, go to More Views, and I'm looking for the Leveling Gantt, and I'm going to apply the Leveling Gantt. Now the reason why I'm applying the Leveling Gantt is because I can see all of my resources that need to be leveled. And when you see this little red man, you can put your mouse over it and it will tell you through the tooltip that this resource is over allocated. This particular task is over allocated. I'm sorry. So what I want to do is go to my specific leveling group. So I'm going to go to click on the resource tab, and this is the leveling group. All right. So there's several ways that I can level. I can, for this particular task, go in manually and put another start and end date, and that resource would be leveled. Or I can click on level resource, and then Carol, because this is the resource for this task, who is over allocated, would be leveled if I clicked on level now throughout this entire project. Every place that she is over allocated, Microsoft project would level her. Okay, so that is another way. Another way to level is click level all, and all of these resources would be leveled within project. The way I like to level my resources is going to leveling options, okay, and I want to make sure the task, the resource leveling options box comes up. Okay, I want Microsoft project to look at over allocations day by day. Okay, and I want to level the entire project. Although, if you want to, you can level from a specific date and to a specific date. But for this particular project, I want to level the entire project. Now, the options that you want to make sure that are enabled are leveling can adjust individual assignments on a task, okay? And leveling can create splits in the remaining work, which means I may have a task that will be finished in 4 days, and it would be 4 consecutive days. But once the resource is leveled, the days that the task would be finished may be split, which 2 days of the resource may work on it, then 2 days it would be that resource will work on something else and come back 2 days later. So it would be a split task because that resource is being split between several tasks, okay? And I want to make sure that I level manual scheduled tasks. If I had manually scheduled tasks, and I don't have that here, I do have a manual summary task. But I would want to make sure that I have this. Now, the level only within available slack means that that project would level within any task that could be delayed. Okay, so the slack is delay time. Okay, so if I wanted to level everything, I can say level all. Okay, and all of my resources would be leveled. So you see all of the little red men went away. But what happened? It changed my dates on my project. Now my finish time is the same. So if I go back, I can say clear leveling, okay, for the entire project. and I see my end date is still the same. So I see that my leveling did not really affect my end date, but it did affect some tasks. Okay, so that is how you level. Any specific questions you can ask me in class, or you can email me. I do want to show you while I'm here that if you don't like this green arrow because maybe you can't see it or whatever, you can just double click on it and you can make it any color you want. Let's make it purple and say, okay, now that arrow, which is your end date, this task has to end by this particular date, which is 5/27, which is fine because it's going to end before that. But I just wanted to show you that. Okay, I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you. Bye-bye.